Welcome to the 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is ostentatious. It is spelt O-S-T-E-N-T-A-T-I-O-U-S. Think OS. Tent. At. Then I-O-U-S. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Ostentatious means something is showy or flashy in a way that is intended to attract attention or impress others. It is often used to describe behavior or possessions that are intended to demonstrate wealth, power, or status. For example, you could say, "The bright yellow car was ostentatious," or "His behavior was ostentatious as he kept trying to show off his terrible dance moves." The word ostentatious comes from the Latin word ostentatious, which means displayed, shown off, and it is often used to describe something that is done or shown off in order to gain attention or admiration. In the children's animated film Coco, the main character, Miguel, learns that true family and love is more important than being ostentatious and showing off his musical skills. Synonyms for ostentatious are showy, flashy, flamboyant, and pretentious. Antonyms for ostentatious include unassuming, modest, and understated. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, ostentatious. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time.